Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you, my kids? I hope you all are fine. This is our English video. Now today we are going to learn small letter O. Letter O come after letter L. Small letter O. O is for office. O is for owl. O is for owl. O is for octopus. O is for octopus. O is for oyster. O is for oyster. O is for ox. O is for ox. O is for oats. O is for oats. O is for ocean. O is for ocean. Now children, open your LKG semester textbook to page number 32. Read the letters, name the pictures. Letter O, small letter O. This is letter O. O is for orange. O is for ox. O is for octopus. O is for octopus. O is for orange. Orange is round in shape. Orange is sweet and sour. Oranges are juicy, right? O for orange. O for ox. O for ox. O for octopus. Octopus is a water animal, right? O is for octopus. Now children, first I will read, then you repeat after me, okay? O is for orange. O is for ox. O is for octopus. O is for octopus. I hope you understood, children. Small letter O. Now open page number 333. In this textbook we will practice writing small letter O. Practice the strokes, write the letters. Small letter O. Now first over here they have given some dotted lines, right? So we have to join all these dotted lines. Okay, let's start. Now I'll start from here. Draw like this. Slowly, slowly. And this is letter O. Right? Now again same over here. I'll start from here and slowly move your pencil this way and circle it. This is letter O. Same over here, parents. Please help your kids to draw this dotted line. Small letter O. This way we have to join all the dots, right? Let's start. Now this is small letter O. This is small letter O. From this point we have to go like this. This is small letter O. Now here on this red and blue line we have given in some boxes there are dotted lines. Yes, and in some boxes there are no dotted lines. So we have to write. I hope you have understood. Now I'll start from here. In this way we have to write letter O. Small letter O. Here without dots you have to write small letter O in between blue line. Small letter O. Small letter O. O is for orange. O is for ox. O is for octopus. O is for omelette, right? O is for office. O is for on. O is for off. O is for ostrich. O is for ostrich. I hope you understood, children. See children, this way you have to write small letter O. Do it properly and neatly, my dear kids. Parents, please help your kid to write small letter O. I hope you understood. Now open your English notebook. We will practice writing small letter O in notebook. Small letter O. Children, you have to write 2 times small letter O in this notebook. Okay. Parents, I have written this first line. I request you parents, please write first line on your child notebook so that can they easily complete the whole page. Small letter O. O is for ostrich. You have to write small letter O in between blue lines. Small letter O. O is for on. O is for off. O is for office. O is for omelette. O is for oven. O is for onion. O is for octopus. I hope you understood, children, how to write small letter O. You have to write small letter O in between blue lines. In between blue lines, okay? Like this. See, children, this way you have to write small letter O in your English notebook. You have to write 2 times small letter O in this notebook. Parents, please help your kids to write small letter O. I hope you understood, children. So over here I am going to end my video. Jazakallahu khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.